Hello everyone, I am Sachin. Today I will tell you about Waqf. Basically, Waqf is for the Muslim peoples. The person who belongs to the Muslim community came under the concept of Waqf. The main uh, work of Waqf is to do charity and fought about the personal laws of the Muslims, fought for the laws for the Muslims that have been made or that have been challenged in the constitution. Islam is complete code of life. The teachings of Islam recognized equality and social justice in society. Waqf is an important tradition in Islamic history. It is used to distribute justice in which society redistribution of wealth which serves the community. Example is migration from Makkah to Medina by Prophet. A Waqf is a religious mosque of Quba built in Medina. A well Medina Hazrat. Literally, meaning of waqf is to detention to stop. Definition: means pers- permanent dedication by a person professing the Muslim faith of any property or any purpose recognized by Muslim law as religious, pious, and charitable. Basically, the concept of waqf has bought for the religious purpose and for the charity. Basically, it do charity for the Muslim peoples also. It create many institutions like schools and various thing which provide benefits to the Muslims. The dedication must be permanent. The dedication must be a work for limited period is not valid. Example: 20 years by a Muslim. A work can only be created by a Muslim. Basically, the concept of work is for Muslim. Every Muslim person can create a waqf. A person who is not a Muslim can't create a waqf. Every Mohammedan of sound mind and not a minor may dedicate his property by way of waqf. The property of Mohammedan is dedicated to waqf for Waqf may be made verbally or orally. It may be created orally or verbally. The parties to a waqif, which make the waqf called waqif. The person who created the waqf is called waqif. Mutawali, a person who appointed after the waqf called mutawali, the manager of the waqf property. Basically, the mutawali is the manager of the waqf property. Once a valid waqf is made, it cannot be revoked. If a valid work is made, it can be revoked. The objective of works, the purpose of work for which a work may be created, must be recognized by the Mohammedan law as a religious, pious, and charitable. The it means the purpose of the Mohammedan law uh, deals deals with the objective of the work also. Basically, it relates to the charitable purpose. It can also be created for educational purpose, public library, hospital, animals, lightening of road, research, etc. The waqf can be created for uh, the public welfare also. For example, creation of library to study empty amount of books and safeguarding animals and hospitals for doing research, etc. Also, subject of work. Subject of work may be any property. It may be immovable or movable. The subject of work may include both the movable and immovable property both. The work property should be certain. Ownership and possession of property must be with the wakif. The property dedicated by the way of work to the wakif is called dedicator. Basically, there are kinds of works. First, public work, the dedication of thing to a public at large. It is generally for the welfare of the poor, the needy, colleges, public library, hospital, etc. Private work, it is for family, for private individuals like family relative, qazi. which is partly family or partly public. Thank you.